Hello student, how are you all? Today in this video we are going to see chapter number 17 of grammar, and the name of chapter is tag question. Student, first of all, what is question? Students, a question is an ultimate which typically functions as a requesting for an information which is expected to be provided in the form of an answer. Question means which we always ask some information from others and we accept that answer. In reply you will get the answer. Okay, now what is tag questions? In grammar, a question tag is a very short clause at the end of a statement which change the statement into a question. Okay, in grammar, at the end of the statement we add one short clause which forms the question, that is tag question, which change the statement into question. Okay, by adding a tag at the close or a tag at the end of the statement, that statement becomes the question, that is tag questions. Question tags are formed with the helping verb or the auxiliary or modal verb from the statement and the appropriate subject also. For forming the question tag, we use the help of helping verbs or the modal verbs, auxiliary verb or modal verb, and even also according to the appropriate subject question tags are formed. So let us see more about the questions, tag questions, by seeing the chapter. Let's begin the chapter. Chapter number 17, tag questions. Tag questions are short questions added to statement. They ask or agreement or disagreement for the listener. See, what are the tag questions? The tag questions are the short question added behind the statement. Okay, as I said, at the end of the statement by putting a clause, that statement sentence becomes question. Okay, that is called tag question, and we use tag question to know the agreement or the disagreement of the listener. Okay, by this we will get the reply that whether the listener is agreed or disagreed. To know the agreement or to ask for the agreement or the disagreement of the listener, we are asking a tag questions. Okay, that is called tag questions. By the example we will see. The film was boring, wasn't it? Okay, that is, the film was boring, a statement. Okay, we added a small tag or a clause at the back of the statement, wasn't it? Question mark. So this becomes the tag question. Okay, and we will get, by this question we will get the reply. In reply it will be the agreement or disagreement of the listener. Okay, you are an actor, aren't you? Okay, Ajit played a wonderful, didn't he? Okay, so by adding a tag at the end of the statement, that statement will change into the question, that is called tag question. Okay, wasn't, aren't, didn't, haven't, hasn't, weren't, couldn't, these all are the tags we are using for the tag questions. Okay, see now, a positive statement will have a negative question tag and a negative statement have a positive tag. See, for the what type of tag we will use for the sentence. If the statement or the sentence is positive form, then the tag will be negative way, and if the statement is in negative form, then the tag will be positive form. Okay, opposite of that. See, for example, Suma is clever. This is a one positive sentence or positive statement. Okay, isn't she? That tag is negative form. Is not she? Isn't she? Okay, So positive statement, negative tag. Second one, Suma is not clever. Here it is negative form, not clever. Then tag, is she? Is she? Okay, positive tag. So to form or how to, what kinds of tag we will use, by this rule or by this statement we will come to know, if the statement is in positive form, tag will be negative. If the sentence is in negative form, tag will be positive, opposite will be there. Okay, see, for some rules are there, let us understand one by one. Rules for making the question tags. Okay, some rules are there for making the question tags. First one, if the verb in the statement is a form of be, means was, were, am is are plus, am is are, was, were, these are the be forms. Okay, being forms. Repeat it in the question tag. See, if in the statement the verb is in be form, then you have to repeat that same verb in question tag also. For example, see, Anu is beautiful. Here is a be form. Am is are, was, were. From that is there. Okay, so use that same thing in tag also. Isn't she? Okay. Second one example, Sriram was a pilot. Wasn't he? Okay, here was in the statement, was verb is used as in was. Okay, so wasn't he? You weren't absent yesterday, were you? Okay, so whatever the verb in the statement, if it is in be form, they use same verb in tag also. Okay, see, if the verb is a positive statement is am, if the verb in a positive statement is am, then the verb in the question tag will be aren't and not amn't. Okay, see, if the sentence is positive and in that positive sentence am is used as a verb. Okay, if it is the positive statement and am is used as a verb, then the tag will be aren't but not amn't. Amn't use नहीं होता है, amn't का कोई tag नहीं है. Okay, but it will be aren't. Okay, not am and apostrophe t, ऐसा नहीं होगा, but r and apostrophe t. Okay, see example, I am handsome. Aren't I? Not amn't I. That is a wrong one. Aren't I? Okay. I am not a king. Am I? Okay. So if the in the positive statement verb is am, then the tag will be aren't. Okay. Second rule, if there is a helping verb in the statement, replace it in the tag. See, whatever the helping verb is there in the sentence or in the statement, if any helping verb is there, repeat it same in the tag also. For example, Suresh can't do it. Can he? Here can is a helping verb. Okay, can he? Chaya will arrive tomorrow. Won't she? Okay. So if there is any helping verb in the statement, use that same helping verb in the tag also. Repeat it in the tag. Third one rule, if there is no helping verb in the statement, use the appropriate form of do in the question tag. See, if there is any sentence in which there is no helping verb, at that time we have to use do form. Okay, do form of the verbs. See, for example, Rita likes chocolate cake. Here there is no helping verb. Okay, so we will use do, means do, did, does, that words. Okay, so Rita likes chocolate cake. Doesn't she? Okay, like equals to does plus like, doesn't she? Jairam broke the glass jar. Didn't he? Okay, so when there is no helping verb in the statement, at that time we will use do form in tag, in question tag. Okay, this was rule number 3. Now rule number 4. See, if the subject of a statement is a personal pronoun, repeat it after the verb in the tag. See, if the subject in a statement is personal pronoun. Okay, means the word used in place of noun, and that is also personal pronoun. Repeat it after the verb in the tag. Okay, then that personal pronoun will be used after the verb. For example, see, we are friends, aren't we? Okay, here after the verb aren't, we had used that personal pronoun we. Okay, so whenever there is a personal pronoun in the sentence, in the statement, then while you are writing a tag for that, after a verb you have to put that personal pronoun. Okay, she is not a millionaire, is she? Okay, rule number 5, if the subject in a statement is not a personal pronoun, use a appropriate matching personal pronoun in the tag. Okay, see, if the subject in the statement is not a personal pronoun, in the sentence if there is no personal pronoun, then use appropriate personal pronoun in tag. Okay, see, the shopkeeper was rude. Okay, here the word given shopkeeper, the noun itself. Okay, but in the tag we will not write wasn't shopkeeper. That will, in place of, we will put a personal pronoun, appropriate personal pronoun. He is a shopkeeper, a boy, he. Okay, wasn't he? The sun sets, it is beautiful. The sunset is beautiful, isn't it? Okay, here sunset is the noun, but in place of, we had used a personal pronoun it. Okay, so understood, these were some of the 5 rules for using the tag question. You have to learn all the 5, and this was this chapter in PDF, and exercise parts will be sent to you in PDF form, and next chapter we will see in the next video. Thank you.